Well, here we are. Truck coming probably from upstate New York, bringing a load of hay. Down, there's a lot of horse farms out in eastern Long Island, New York, which is about an hour and a half east of New York City. And we had a lot of rain this winter and this spring, but it's bringing down fresh hay. It doesn't look like straw. Of course, there's a difference between hay that the animals eat and straw, which is more for bedding. But yeah, so he's bringing down a truckload on the Long Island Expressway on eastern Long Island, New York.